Hi everyone, it's Kylie from Payne. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to paint this meerkat with watercolors. For this painting, I'll be starting off with the eyes of the meerkat. Because the eyes will be detailed, I'll be using small round brushes and layering wet on dry washes. Start off by dipping your brush into dark brown paint. I am using Raw Umber by Daniel Smith. Create an outline around the outside of the eye. Next, dip your brush into a little bit of water and pull out the paint you just added. This will create a lighter value brown for the eyes. While the paint in the eye is still damp, dab in more brown to the top portion. Make sure to leave white dots for the highlights. Next, paint the other eye. Again, add darker values of brown to the outer diameter of the eye, and also to the top portion. For the dark areas, keep your paint saturated by not using a lot of water. For the lighter values, add more water to dilute your pigment. Now let's add a second layer of paint after the first layer has dried. I'll be repeating the steps from the first layer. This will make things a little darker this time. Around the outside of the eye, add diluted gray paint. Your paint mixture should have quite a bit of water so it appears very light, and then allow this layer to dry. After that dries, add saturated Payne's gray around the eye. Make sure to leave some space between these lines and the eye. Add brown or black paint to the upper eyelid. Next, add a thin wash of brown to the eyelid as well. And then add some clean water to the middle of the face of the meerkat. Next, dip a large round brush into yellow ochre paint and add that to the water you just added. The paint should appear fairly light. Next, add a medium value brown. I like using either Raw Umber or Burnt Umber by the brand Daniel Smith, but again, use whatever you have on hand. The ears of the meerkat are much darker in value. Load up a small round brush with saturated brown paint and add that to the ears. In order to blend this brown, add some water and move your brush back and forth. My initial wash is still wet. To add some variety to the wash, I'm dabbing in small amounts of brown. You can also add different shades of brown if you'd like. This here is burnt umber, which is a warmer brown color. Lastly, to add texture, I'm going to dry the wash a little bit using my hair dryer. I don't want the wash to fully dry, so while it's still damp, I'm splashing in some clean water to create blooms. You can see the shapes forming. You can skip this step if you prefer things more smooth looking. Now let's add some nostrils. You can either use brown or black paint, just make sure it's very saturated. It also helps to use a small round brush for this process. Again, paint below the mouth and jaw for some shadows. Add some gray on the eyes as well. Dilute yellow ochre paint on your palette. Make sure it's very light, and then using a medium round brush, add a layer to its head. Now let's continue painting the body using a medium round brush and burnt umber paint. The meerkat's body is cropped in the image, so have the brush strokes go all the way to the bottom of the page. While that is drying, let's add some whiskers to the face. For the whiskers, I'll be using a Micron pen. Sometimes I just paint the whiskers, but I want to show that you can also use pens. Using a pen can make the process easier to control. and then paint the paws and add the claws. Add a little extra paint here, and then things are complete. Thank you so much for watching as I painted this meerkat. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye now.